Beshies! Samahan niyo ako mag-burn ng calories habang nagre-relax. Dito lang yan sa Local Wellness and Beauty Center sa Bacoor, Cavite. Pero bago ang lahat, start tayo sa perfect silhouette. Perfect nga ito for getting a perfect body with a perfect smile. Kumanta. Before anything else, you'll need to fill out a health form and be honest sa iyong health condition and sensitivities. Kasi sa Local Skin, hindi lang results ang priority, pati health and safety mo, Beshi. So, ayun na nga, they started with the vacuum RF. And yes, Beshi, I was low-key hurt kasi I was on my period that day. Although they advised me beforehand na mas mababa ang pain tolerance during red days. Next is the cavitation, which help breaks down the fat cells using ultrasound waves. And last is the RF, which helps with skin tightening and firming. And here's the result. I lost half an inch of my arms and tummy. Perfect! After ng bugbugan, syempre time to relax while still burning calories. This is cocoon therapy. And oh my god, this is so lit. My PDT light, helpful for detoxifying, improving blood circulation, collagen production, and reducing inflammation. Ang pawis ko, grabe. As in, hindi lang katawan ko na-reset, pati mind ko na-reboot. After all the treatments, from 76.6 kg, I went down to 75.45 kg. That's almost 1.15 kg, mga beshi. Imagine, almost 7,700 calories burned while lying down. Kaya sobrang gaan ng feeling after this. Sa mga Caviteño, hindi nyo na need bumiyahe ng Manila para ma-experience ito. Punta lang sa Local Skin Wellness and Beauty Center sa Bacoor, Cavite. This is your Beshi Mommy, your girl for all things. See you on my next vlog!